Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for June, should you choose to accept it, is as follows. 1. Cover your background with words, writing, or text. 2. Add a wash of color across the background. 3. Collage tissue paper on your page. 4. Add sketchy marks. 5. Mix something from nature into gel, medium, or glue and add it to your page. 6. Add fabric, ribbon, lace, or trim. 7. Add brads, staples, or clips. 8. Add a word, phrase, or quote. Your suggested color scheme for June is ocean, lemon, and lime. Your words for inspiration are sun, dance, breathe, document, and joy. Remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.